Well, just a quick little video tonight of this call. It's a KVM switch, and what it does, as some of you may remember, I've got my main computer, but I've also got a old computer that I play Monopoly on. So all it is, as you can see, it's a switch that switches two or more computers from each other to save you unplugging it all the time. So what you've got, of course, you've got your monitor plugged into it and your mouse and your keyboard, and then you've got wires which, as you can see, plug into the computer itself like that, right? Let me just zoom in a bit and show you that one. Right, so that's my main computer, and next door is what I call my Monopoly computer. So I'll just go around the front and I'll show you it. So all we've got is this small button, you see, and now I'm watching a video which just happens to be mine on my main computer, and I decide to play Monopoly. All I do is press that switch and there we are, and apparently you can get multiples, you know, of them. So that saves a lot of unplugging, right? An awful lot. So I thought you might like just to see that. And there's going to be one or two more videos of sorts, right? Coming in the next day or two, hopefully, but they'll be quite short ones. Right, thanks very much.